Hello teacher, good afternoon. My name is Giovanni Cruz. First of all, I am going to show you my ID card. Well, my course is Parallel 100. The topic for today is Use and Characteristic of Summarizing Strategies. Date January 12, 2024. Let's start. In the strategy number 1, I wrote somebody wanted but so. Then, one of these important characteristics in this strategy is that you can use a table in order to put the main parts, the main characters, examples, details, and how the history ends. Another characteristic is that it allows the students or you to identify the main element of a passage. Okay, you can determine some effects, causes, but you can use it by making some generalization. According to Al Savannah 2005, this strategy is very important because you can use it during and after a reading. Okay, as I told you before, you can summarize the main event of a group of people or you can summarize the main ideas. Okay, I put one table in the part of somebody. I wrote the main character who is Little Red Riding Hood. In the part of wanted, I put that she wanted in the history. In the case on the but and so, I put some complement, no complement, but what happened then or during the history, and the then part I write how the history end. So you will see my blue words. The idea is that you connect with my summary. So remember that I put a picture about a short history, so you can compare my corresponding summary. Okay, it's very easy to understand. In the summarizing strategy 2, I wrote three important connectors. Okay, as Elder 2008, this strategy is very useful because you can summarize a text in a sequential order. Sequential order. Pay attention to this because it is a good characteristic of this strategy. Okay, again, you can summarize a text. You can summarize the main idea. Okay, you can use connectors. Okay, the most important part is that if you use it, you can examine all the detailed examples in the main body. Okay, you can summarize in a clear text in a less time. Again, you can use a table. For example, you can compare the original text and the corresponding summary. Okay, so in the first part, okay, I wrote the main characters. Okay, Mary and Pierre Curie. The history is about the polonium and radium. Okay, in the part of them, I put what happened or during the paragraph in the text. Okay, in the finally, I wrote what happened and the end of this paragraph. Okay, in the red words you will see the connectors, but the idea is that you notice what happened first, then, and how it concludes. Okay, in summarizing strategy 3, it is give me the geese. Geese means essential, but what is essential? Essential is the main part, the main idea of an entire text. The research of Orwell 2020 focuses on giving the sense of a text. Okay, in other words, the author states that it is used to reduce the main idea in a simple 20 lines. Okay, one of one of the main important characteristics is that you can understand all the details about your reading, but you can use it at least 20 words in a 15 seconds. Okay, you can use question words. Okay, for example, who, what, where, which, and how, in order to catch the main information of your passage or reading. Okay. You can compare again my example. Sorry because my original text is not so clear, but if you realize it has 5 lines, 3 sentences. Okay, but in the corresponding summary I wrote in a simple 20 words 1 sentences. Okay, If you read it, you will see that it is the summary. Okay, only one sentence. Remember, 20 words. If you count it, you will see that it has 20 words, and it is very good when you use this strategy. To sum up, by using this strategy, you will improve your reading comprehension, your skill, everything, and the most important part, you will identify the main and secondary ideas. Okay, you can select the most important ideas or part of a paragraph in order to build a new text. Okay, teacher, I have my reference list. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you very much.